Hello student, today we are discuss about the remaining part of the linear programming topic. Okay, question is solve graphically. Question number third. Example number first, 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. In this equation, 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Linear equation 2x minus 3 equal to 0, or linear equation 2x minus 3 greater than 0. Okay, the 2x minus 3 equal to 0, therefore 2x minus 3 equal to 0. The point is x equals to 2x equals to 3, x equals to 3 by 2, and x equals to 1.5. Okay, this point draw the xy axis and the in equation which side 2x minus 3 greater than 0. So the point here, similarly here, which side region x greater than 1.5. Draw the diagram here, xy axis. Okay, here origin. Okay, understand all of you. All the graphs draw the book, not use the graphical. Okay, so proper scaling here. Use pencil and scale. So proper scale, the scale mentioned here. Here on both axes 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit on x axis, and 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on y axis. Okay, this way write down here scale origin. So point 1 to these points, scale use properly using scale. Okay, 1 2 3 here, similarly 1 2 3, this way minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 here, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So in this point x equals to 1.5 may be here. Okay, x equals to 1.5 means this line perpendicularly parallel to which axis? Y axis. Okay, and here x greater than value is x greater than 1.5. Okay, so in this equation for x greater than 5 means in this diagram, so x greater than or equals to value 1.5. So put the value of here, origin coordinate here 0 0. These are the x and these are the y. The equation put up this value and check greater than or not. So here x equals to value 0 greater than 1.5. 0 greater than 1.5, true or false? This is false. 0 greater than 1.5 पेक्षा this is false. जर समजा ही कंडिशन ट्रू असेल तर शेडेड रिजन जो आहे तो ओरिजिन साइड येणार आहे. कंडिशन जर ट्रू असेल तर शेडेड रिजन ओरिजिन साइडला असणार आहे. अदरवाइज जर फॉल्स असेल तर शेडेड रिजन कुठे असणार आहे? नॉन ओरिजिन साइडला असणार आहे. ओके, दिस इज फॉल्स, therefore non origin side, okay, means 2x minus 3 greater than 0. Okay, next step, x greater than or equals to 1.5. So these regions shaded here. Okay, these are the diagram of the first equation. 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Similarly, find out the remaining examples. Okay, the second example, see here. Second example is that 2y minus 5, 2y minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Similarly, find out the equation, linear equation, and denote here 2y minus 5 means y greater than, value is 5 by 2, y equals to value is, so next 2.5. Okay, so y equal to 2.5. This line which has this 2.5 here, 2.5 perpendicular to x axis and greater than. So check the condition and the region shaded below origin side or non-origin side. Similar way, find out the remaining all 4 example. In question number 3, any doubt, ask me. Okay. The next question is, next question example is solve graphically. Equation is x plus 2y less than or equal to 6. Okay, in this equation x plus 2y equal to 6 is linear equation. X plus 2y less than 6 is linear inequation. Okay, so see here, in this equation 2 variables or remaining all question up to question number 3, 1 variables only, and this equation is 2 variable x and y. Okay, this you solve this equation in 10th standard. Similar way, find out the coordinate of the coordinate. So table draw here. Table is draw here x, y and x comma y. X equals to value, put in this equation x equal to 0. X equal to 0. So next equation is 2y. Put this value, 2y equal to 6 means y equal to 3. This calculation is rough here, so 0 comma 3 here. Okay, similar way, the next value y coordinate, this equation is 0, y equal to 0 put केला या equation मध्ये. Next y equal to 0, x plus 2 into 0 0 equal to 6 means x equal to value is 6. Okay, means 6 comma 0. The coordinate is 0 comma 3 and 6 comma 0. This method you know very well, using this method in 10th standard. Okay, this calculation is rough calculation. Okay, so clear this calculation. This will complete this table. Okay, and next draw the graph here. Okay, these are the graph. XY axis, origin is here. Okay, this side last point is 6. So x axis means 1 2 3 4 5 6. You using proper scale, and this mention the 0.1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Okay, scale is right here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2. Okay, this way xy axis. Okay, first point 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 means which quadrant, which axis? This point. Okay, 0 comma 3. Okay, and next point is 6 comma 0 is here. 6 comma 0. So joining these 2 points, join these 2 points. Okay, this way draw the line. Which equation of the line is x plus 2y, x plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, so x plus 2y less than 6. So in this equation put value काय करायचे, ओरिजिन साइडचे व्हॅल्यू पुट करायचे. ओरिजिनचा कोऑर्डिनेट काय 0 0. कंडिशन ट्रू आहे का बघायचे. कंडिशन ट्रू असेल तर ओरिजिन साइड आणि कंडिशन जर फॉल्स येत असेल तर नॉन ओरिजिन साइड. सो पुट द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ ओरिजिन हियर. ओरिजिन व्हॅल्यू 0 0. This 0 0 value put in this given equation. So 0 plus 2 into 0 less than 6 means 0 less than 6. This statement true or false? 0 less than 6. This is true. This is true. Therefore, this is true. Therefore, origin side is solution. Origin side is solution. Okay, understand this point. The equation x plus 2y less than 6. In this equation, putting the values of x, y 0 0 origin, putting the value and the condition is true. Condition is true origin side and condition is false non-origin side. So the region is which side? Origin side. Origin side which is, these are the origin sides. Okay, this way these are the direction and these are the regions. Okay, these are the final answers. This way complete the first example of the question number 4. Similar way find out the example number 2 also. The example number 3 small change. So next example, see here. In question number 4, example number 3, 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means this line passes through the origin. Okay, so 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to 0. Linear equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 0 and linear equation is 3x plus 2y greater than 0. Okay, linear equation 3x plus 2y equal to 0 means this line passes through the origin. Okay, so similar way find out the table here. Table is xy, similar way xy, x comma y. So in this equation here 3x plus 2y equal to 0. In this equation x equals to value put any 1 2 3 or minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 any value put here and find the value of y here. Okay, so x equals to put here next value is, so x equals to अशी value put up करा की जेणेकरून fraction मध्ये value आपल्याला मिळणार नाहीये. x equals to value. Okay, x equals to value put here x equal to 2 put up केलं बघा इथे 3 into 2 plus 2y equal to 0. Then next step 3 into 2 6 plus 2y equal to 0 means next 2y equal to 6. Therefore y equal to value is 3. So x equal to value 2 and then y equals to value here 3. Then next another value x equal to put 4 here. Okay, see here 3x plus 2y equal to 0. So put here x equal to value is 2. So calculation is 3 into 2 6 plus 2y equal to 6, then y equal to 3. Similar way x equal to value again new value put here 4. So minus sign here, okay, minus 3. And similarly plus 12 convert this side, the here point is minus 6, the coordinate is 2 minus 3 and here 4 minus 6, okay. These point plot the axis and draw the line and check the origin here, the above origin side in this diagram you see here. So these are the points, origin side and non-origin side याप्रमाणे इक्वेशन येणार नाही का, तर ऑलरेडी लाइन जी आहे ती आपली ओरिजिन मधून जाणार आहे. सो ड्रॉ द एक्स वाय एक्सिस हियर, प्लॉट द पॉइंट्स, ओके. Origin is here, so point is plot 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 here, okay. Similarly, scale right down here, 3 4 5 6, similar minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 1, okay. X axis, y axis, and these are the origin coordinate 0 0. So plot the point 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 here, okay. And the next point 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6, okay. Here point, so this point connects and draw this point line. Origin point passes through the origin using scale, okay. This line is also straight, okay. These are the points. Which equation of the line is 3x plus 2y equal to 0. 3x plus 2y equal to 0, okay. So ज्यावेळेस line passes through the origin, here check the above side or below side. This example, या example मध्ये origin side आणि non origin side असा पार्ट येणार नाही, का तर याच्यामध्ये origin line जे passes through the origin, त्यामुळे below part or above part, okay. So condition is here, 3x plus 2y greater than 0. So one point, so these are the points. So coordinate is point 1 1, okay. These are the points, coordinate is 1 1. So put this value in this equation and equation is true, then this side, and equation is false, this side area shaded, okay. So 3x plus 2y greater than 0, put here x equal to this point, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 greater than 0. Next step, 3 into 1 3 plus 2, then next 5 greater than 0. 5 greater than 0, true or false? This is true, this is true, this is true, okay. Understand all of you this equation, okay. So true असेल in this equation, these are the true. This is true, the true असेल तर आपल्याला काय करायचं याच्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल अबाव साइड द रीजन इज शेडेड हियर, ओके. this region is shaded here and the false statement असेल याप्रमाणे आपण काय केलं असतं, याच्यामध्ये लेस दॅनचा बिलोचा जो पार्ट आहे तो शेडेड केला असता आणि याच्यामध्ये 5 ग्रेटर दॅन 0 आहे, दिस इज ट्रू आहे, म्हणून हा इकडचा साइड जो आहे अबाव पोर्शन काय केलेला शेडेड केलेला आहे. याप्रमाणे एक्झाम्पल नंबर नेक्स्ट 4 नंबर एक्झाम्पल कंप्लीट. एनी डाउट आस्क मी, ओके. द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज next example is question number 5. Solve graphically. Example number first, 2x plus y greater than or equal to and x minus y less than or equal to 1. So similarly find out the remaining question example, but two condition is here. Okay, so using these two condition, draw the graph and shaded region area find out. Okay, so see here in this example, draw the first table. So in this equation, linear equation is here. Linear equation 2x plus y equal to 2, and here x minus y equal to 1, and linear inequation here 2x plus y greater than 2, and here x minus y less than 1. Okay, draw the table here. Equation of the line first. Okay, draw the table. First equation of the line xy, next point xy point, sign and region. Okay, sign and region. Okay, equation of line, first equation 2x plus y equal to 2, and next x minus y equal to 1. Okay, this way, and the point is here. This way, draw the table, and similarly find out the here value x equal to 0. So y equal to 0, 0, 0, and लक्ष द्या इकडे सर्वांनी. या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये x ची व्हॅल्यू एकदा 0 घेतोय, y फाइंड आउट करतोय, नेक्स्ट पुन्हा y 0 घेतोय, x फाइंड आउट करतोय. या ठिकाणी कोणती व्हॅल्यू घेतली तरी चालणार आहे, पण 0 कन्सिडर करतोय का तर तो जो पॉइंट आहे हा तो कुठे येणार आहे, पॉइंट ॲक्सिस वरती येणार आहे. ॲक्सिस वरती पॉइंट असेल तर ड्रॉ करत असताना आपल्याला लाईन ड्रॉ करत असताना इझी जाणार आहे. त्यामुळे आपण या वेळी काय करतोय, पॉइंट्स ते डिनोट करतोय. सो फर्स्ट 2x plus y equal to 2, put here x equal to 0. So in this equation 2x plus y equal to 2, put here x equal to 0, 2 into 0, 0 plus y equal to 2. So x equal to 0, y equals to value is 2. Okay, similar way, put in this equation value y equal to 0, y equal to 0, 2x plus 0 equal to 2, and next value x equals to value is 1. So here 1, 0. Similarly, the second equation, this point understand all of you. So see here 2x plus y equal to 2, x equal to 0 put up, x equal to 0 put up, 2 into 0, 0, and y equal to 2. So 0 comma 2 point is here, point is 0 comma 2 right here. Similarly, 2x plus y equal to 2, y equal to put 0, y equal to 0 put here. Then 2x, x equals to 1, the coordinate is 1 comma 0. Similarly, x minus y equal to 1, so x equals to 1, x minus y equal to 1, x equal to 0 put here, 0 minus y equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, so 0 minus 1, and here in this equation y equal to put 0, y equal to 0 means x minus 0 equals to 1, therefore x equal to 1. The point is x equal to 1, 1, 0, coordinate is 0 minus 1, and here 1 comma 0. Sign, these are the sign. Okay, greater than or equal to, or here less than or equal to. So mention here region, okay, region find out करायचं. These are the linear inequation. So in this equation already study, in this equation put the value origin coordinate. Which are the coordinate? 0 comma 0. Put this equation means here 2x plus y greater than 2. Put here origin's value 2 into 0, 0. तर फॉल्स असेल तर ओरिजिन साइड और नॉन ओरिजिन साइड, नॉन ओरिजिन साइड, नॉन ओरिजिन साइड. Similarly, the second point check it, x minus y equals to 1, x minus y equal to 1, put here the equation is x minus y, next equation x minus y less than 1, so put the origin points, origin point means coordinate of the origin 0 0, put here 0 minus 0 less than 1 means 0 less than 1. This is true or false? This is true or false? This is true. 0 less than 1. This is true. Origin side. Origin side. Okay. Origin side असणार आहे. ही जी लाइन आहे आपली ती origin side and above line is non-origin side. Okay. These are the rough calculation. Okay. Clear? Only table complete, remaining rough calculation clear. Okay, so similar way this point draw the graph and joining the points and denote the region. Okay, see here, these are the xy axis, here origin, x axis, y axis. Okay, the point denote the last highest point is 2, so मी फक्त इथे काय करतोय 1 2 पर्यंत स्केल घेतो. here -1 -2 1 2 -1 -2. Okay, this way the first point, the first line 0 2 is here and next point is 1 0 here. So these 2 points joining. Okay, this draw the line. Which equation? 2x plus y equal to 2, and the second line is 0 minus 1 here, 0 minus 1 and next 1 0 here. The two lines, one point is common. Draw the lines using scale properly. Okay, these are the two lines. Which equation, line of equation is x minus y equal to 1. Okay, the first line, which first line? 2x plus y equal to 2, 2x plus y equal to 2. This is false, non-origin side. Non-origin side means which portion denote here? This side. Okay, बराबर है ना? This side portion denote here. And the second line, which second line? X minus y equal to origin side. Origin side means this. So this portion. Scale properly. Scale mention the this side. Okay, graph paper. Okay, so these are the parts are the common. Okay, this region is common. Okay, या डायग्राम मध्ये इकडचा पण पार्ट येणार आहे, पण इथं कंडिशन काय आपल्याला एंड म्हणजे काय, दोन्ही मध्ये कॉमन असणारा पार्ट. दोन्ही मध्ये कॉमन असणारा पार्ट कोणता आहे? हा एवढा जो पार्ट आहे दोन्ही मध्ये कॉमन आहे आणि हा आपला काय असणार आहे? शेडेड रिजन असणार आहे. ओके, लक्षात आले म्हणजे अंडरस्टँड ऑल ऑफ यू दिस कन्सेप्ट. ओके, सो याप्रमाणे एवढाच रिजन जो आहे तो शेडेड रिजन असणार आहे कॉमन मध्ये. इकडचा पण पार्ट येणार आहे शेड मध्ये, हा पण पार्ट येणार आहे, पण कंडिशन एंड असल्यामुळं फक्त दोन्ही मधला जो कॉमन पार्ट आहे तेवढा शेडेड रिजन आपल्याला दाखवायचा आहे. याप्रमाणे एक्झाम्पल जे आहे ते आपल्या आन्सर याप्रमाणे मिळणार आहे. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल कंप्लीट हियर. सिमिलर वे find out the all remaining examples of question number 5. Okay, and any doubt ask me. Exercise 7.1, question number 3, all examples. Question number 4, 4 examples, and question number 5, 5 examples complete. Okay, any doubt, ask me. Thank you.